Hi, my name is Xinzhe Yu, and now I'm going to introduce the authentication part of our app. Mm, all of the user who want to use our app need to have their own account if they want to use more functionalities. So for them, or the first, I think that the first step is to create an account. So we can create here. So in the create account form, for all of the input here, we have already set the validation of it. And here maybe I will show you an example of email. So if the input of the email is not in the style of the email, and then we create the account, we can see there is an alert like this. And for the password and also the confirm password, it's actually the same. And now I will use the admin user to log in. Just give me a second. Comment password. Oh, maybe something wrong. Password. Okay, now we have already logged in. For the admin user, we can see a very special functionality, which is called admin user. So in this page, we will see a table, and in the table, we will see all of the users who has already registered. And um, in our app, we actually have the three types of the user, included the normal user, the admin user, and also the admin staff user. So for the admin, he can set a user into a staff and also set a staff to the user, and he also can soft delete about this account, and he also can restore it. And for all of the user, they will have their own profile here. They can update their information here, and they also can change the password here.
For my contribution to the project, I mainly focused on the front-end design and user experience of the MYWAY web application. I worked on the interconnected page structure and navbar configuration, helping improve navigation between pages Home, Browse, About, Support, Profile, Favorites, and the Logout button, as you can see. I also made the navigation conditional, so that guest users and registered users see different interface options. I won't do that now, but if I were to, uh, guest users would only be able to see a limited range from the navbar. Another major part of my work was the content browsing page. This page allowed users to explore existing posts and then search by a specific category, say travel, and sort by a result option such as newest, oldest, or the title. So say newest. This would then minimize and remove posts that aren't relevant to that search query. And then each content card can also be opened into its own detail page for more information. So here a user can see more information regarding that post. And this then follows on to the next feature I implemented, which was the like and favorites feature, which allows users to dislike and like a post and save it later for viewing. So here it's currently saved as a favorite, so it'll appear as the latest post that the user has, liked essentially. And for my advanced feature, I implemented a dark and light mode theme, which was selected to improve the accessibility, user preference, and overall visual experience of the website. So yeah, thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, I'm Bilgun. As a part of the project, I have successfully implemented comment and the reply system on our MyWay platform. To begin with, the user who are not logged in yet can still browse the content inside, but they won't be able to join the discussion. To be able to join the discussion, they must log in first. So I'm going to log in my account by using my user account. All right, now I successfully logged my account. If I can see all of the page, let's take this page as an example. Now here's our comment discussion section up here. All right, we can drop any of the comments like where is building. The post comment, there we go. All right, so user Benny just says, so where is the BI building? All right, another second implementation is there is a nested reply section up here. The user can reply each of those comments. Okay, to prove this nested reply system, we can join into another account. Let's take this one. This one is just normal user account as well. Now I'm going to reply Benny's post. Where's the BA building? Now I can see the comments. I can reply for him. Like, let's to the library and click on the reply. Now I just successfully replied the Benny section. I can see my reply comments up here. So with the admin, so as for the admin, well, as admin has a full control of the page, they can delete the comments. For example, like I can say Benny's comments and the Bilgun replies for him. Like if you want to delete like the comments, I can just simply click on delete button up here. Thank you.
So my feature was to make a groups page. So basically you see all the groups here and they're run by different universities around Melbourne. And then we have a search by category filter here as well. And then you can search anything and it will come up. And then if we click on the view group, you will see the details of the groups. And you can see right now I'm joining, and if I leave the group, if I press leave, then you won't see it anymore here. And if I join, it will come up. So if I go back to groups, then you can see here that I have a section to make sure people know what groups they already signed in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And the way that it works is basically everybody has their each of these have a table. So for all the information of the clubs, there is a table on the database that will have all these details of each club. And then there's another database of the membership, so it will come up if a member, the member ID and the club ID, and if you leave the group, it will reflect back on the database. Yeah, that's it from my end.
Hi, my name is Jessica and this is my project demonstration for MYWAY project. Initially, we did start this project as a blog post, and growing, we have noticed that it could be a mini social link network for university students. That is why my first contribution was enhancing the profile page. This is to show the user how many posts, followers, and followings that they have. So as for my account, it would say I have 6 posts, and when regarding the followers, I do not have any followers, and the following, I could just browse the content, and maybe I would like to unfollow the admin. I just click on unfollow, and on my profile it would indicate that I've unfollowed them. For the biography, it's a little section where students can put their interests, and so that other people can see it and they're able to interact and connect based on their interests. So once you click add something to your bio, it will indicate that it's been updated, and once someone clicks on your profile, they'll see that your post hi. And I as well created the logo which is located in the navbar, and a dark logo which is located in the favicon. This was created by Canva, and yes, I did want to showcase both of them, so I placed on the dark one on the favicon. As well as the map attraction, this is from content from the browse history. It will ping locations that are based on the titles of the attractions, and so the user can just select and go out and try them, as well as just getting a verifiable source like Google to back